Hey there, thanks so much for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Vida Collection by Buffbunny. So I have not even opened any of my goodies yet. We're gonna do it together, so let's dive right in. So I absolutely love getting these boxes for multiple reasons, but usually I honestly pick things so fast I don't even remember what I picked. So I get really excited when I get to open these boxes. Right away, amazing bright colors, perfect for spring, perfect for heading into summer. So let's get started. We have the 6-inch Legacy shorts. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Okay, so this is the Legacy short in El Mar. That's the color. Loving it. I have on another blue right now from Buffbunny. So I kind of like that this one is a little bit more almost turquoisey. Really, really good for tans. You know, I'm all about a good tan. So super cute. Love that. It's got the Buffbunny logo in the back that they've been doing with the V's that really accentuates and make you look nice and snatched. So yay for that. See, I want to keep them matching. So let's go to my matching set here. So this is going to be the sports bra that matches in the same color El Mar. And this is the Passionate Revolution sports bra. Super, super cute. I actually love this. I don't think I have anything like this right now. So it's like, looks like it's straight in the front and then curves. Yay. The back is really fun. It's got the crisscross design. Of course, the adjustable straps, removable padding. Really, really cute. I'm actually really excited about this. I really don't think I have anything like this one. So, woohoo! Let's get into another color. So this is the Tequila Sunrise. Now this is the one that your tan is about to be popping when you put these on. So these are the shorts, and this is the Flirty Flow short. Now I got it in the boy short, so underneath you have the short boy short. So let me back up. It's gonna be like about to here versus the bikini cut. I just personally prefer these, but holy moly, I love this color. So cute. I got the matching scrunchie. We'll open it up, because why not? So cute, so fun. I have so many of these scrunchies. I should just start like a collection. Oh yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. I forget what I ordered. So I have another matching scrunchie that is in the El Mar color. I need to learn how to do some more fun stuff with my hair so I can wear these scrunchies. Okay, I'm really, really excited. I remembered what this one is, and oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love it. So look at these shorts. They are ombre, but oh my gosh, so cute. Pink into orange, and they are called the Vida Seamless Short Sunrise Ombre. Ombre, who knows? But seriously, oh, so cute. And then they have the little dip in the back. So I'll be honest, I'm gonna have to try these because your girl's got a bit of a caboose. So we just wanna make sure that there's no crack hanging out, but we're gonna do a try on haul after this, so stay tuned. But the color, oh, wow, I am in love. So with that, did I get a matching top? Yes, I did. We'll open up the matching top. So same exact ombre situation. This is the, okay, so Vida Seamless Sunrise, Seamless Sports Bra, I cannot talk, Sunrise Ombre. Yes, so freaking cute. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be really nice and supportive, which is awesome. The back is so cute, I love it. And then of course the removable padding. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one, I can tell. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. We are done with our colors. We're gonna go into some blacks now. So this is going to be the, oh yeah, this is a reversible bodysuit, the Perform Reversible Bodysuit. So it's obviously in black. So this is one way you can wear it, a more simple kind of front. And then if we're feeling real frisky, real funky, you'll see there's a cross, like a little cross here, and you could reverse it. So this would be more like hello girls. This would be more, we're not showing the girls. So I'll definitely try it on both ways and we'll kind of see which one we prefer. Also, side note, I get my bodysuits in a size small. Usually I do all my shorts in an extra small, all my leggings in an extra small, but with bodysuits, I've noticed to always size up, especially because my girls are a little bit bigger, you know, hello fake boobs. So I usually do a small in the top. So I always size up to what my top would be, not to what my bottoms would be. I made the mistake one time and my husband had to help me get out of the bodysuits. This is the Crop Phantom jacket in black. So I love this. So it is a typical long sleeve, kind of one of those like scuba almost style zip ups. But this was really cute, and this is what drew me in, is there's a zip up top here, and there's also a zip on the bottom. So you can zip it up, you know, maybe you're like, hey, I wanna show my abs today, zip it up. Hey, I don't wanna show my abs today, zip that sucker right back down. So this is gonna be fun to try on as well. But we have one more thing, so let's get into that. Okay, this is the Pillow Tote in Onyx Black. And all of their totes, purses always come in this canvas bag, which is really nice. So you can store it and keep it nice, especially if you're like me. My cat, one of my cats, lives in my closet, so I swear by these canvas covers because otherwise all my bags are covered in cat hair, but you know, that's just me. Okay, this I am absolutely obsessed with. It's such a nice size. You can obviously use it to go to the gym, but also I'm thinking like a pool bag, a beach bag. It's really cushiony. Let's see what's inside. I honestly don't know. Okay, so inside it has a section where you could almost put in, it looks like your laptop, which is nice. I don't know if you can see that, a little clip there. And then there's another zipper, excuse me, another zipper inlay. So you can definitely put some good stuff in there. Okay, so that was my official unboxing, but we can love things and maybe we don't like things, but we never truly know until we try them on. So stay tuned because my next video is going to be my try on haul. If you do not already subscribe, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And then I will see you next time. Have a great day.